Hey all, welcome to another video. You know what we got here? We got ourselves PostFly's mystery fly box. I am not sponsored in any way, so this is my truest opinion. So yeah, not being paid to say something that's not true. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the cheapest entry-level fly box you can order. They send to you every month. And yeah. So inside, we'll look at these in just a sec. But they give you a bunch of flies. And then sometimes it changes, but I think they always give you a leader. Depending, it looks like we got 5 weight this time. This is a trout box. So they're probably going to only send you, 3, 4, and 5 weight. Probably not much more since trout. Next up, it's a little like magazine they send. Just got a bunch of stuff in here. I guess if you want to read more on fly fishing. Maybe some content that they're producing. With all these boxes. Get yourself a sticker. And then, of course, you get yourself what the flies are. And if you want, there's no referral code or anything. You just go to postfly.com. Check out the boxes. I know they have an entry-level box and a top-tier box. And then they also have, I believe, like a do-it-yourself fly kit. So yeah, check it out. First up, let's see what is included. So it says meet Tyler, must be the person ties a lot of these and show you. So it looks like we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. We're going to get 12 flies. And this box is, if I remember right, it's $29.99. So, not bad. Less than $3 a piece. So let's go ahead and check them out. Let's get this open here. Now, if I remember right, I did select where I was from, give or take. I think just like northwest. So some of these flies might not work for you. You know what I mean? Like they're just basing off demographic, I think. But yeah. Oh wow, this plastic's a real pain in the butt. I should have cut this in, showed it to you. But we'll pull out a couple flies. Man, look at this sucker. This sucker's huge. All right, let's give her a check. So you can see here, they come barbed. Yeah, this is a good, I don't know quite what this bug is supposed to imitate. But, let's look at the chart. Black woolly booger with rubber legs. I guess these are the rubber legs up here. That's weird. It is one of the most prolific trout flies ever exist. It must be pretty good. And then this one looks like a bee. It's the black squala. I don't know. Man, look at this one. Something about this little guy right here. It's going to be hard to get a picture on it, but check it out. Look at that thing. Look at the detail. Look at it. And this one is the... Let's see here. Get it back in there. It is... the hot pink pheasant tail. This is an extremely effective pattern during the hot summer months and solid choice for murky waters. Nice. Well, here's the box. Hope you guys liked it. As always, drop any comments, questions you have. If you want to like the video, much appreciated. And if you want to subscribe, thanks for becoming part of the fam. And thanks for watching.